while entering to a building, we give that impression, we give that client a surety that you have come to a right place.
What was your central design idea for this one?
So the project name was Holiday Tribe and it was totally based on biophilic theme. Also, they wanted some vibrant colors with color combinations, patterns. As they were based to travel company, they provide vacations and also travel experiences. So they needed the atmosphere to be travel based, to be more of like Bollywood vibe, colorful theme overall to the office. And as we were inspired by biophilic theme, I also try to put nature vibes as well. Greeneries, landscaping, everything possible, including the travel and nature, I have put there.
What were the key changes to identify very first visit?
So when I visited the site was nearly 8,000 square feet. So it is a bit extra spaces to be designed. We can never have whole landscaping throughout the area, but still I tried my best to provide that. Also, they needed vibrant colors. And if we put vibrant colors to 8,000 square feet, it will be very much to pointing to our eyes. So that was difficult to design over there.
Let's begin with the foyer and the waiting area. What was your approach here?
So when we enter, the first impression, as we say, the first impression is the last impression. Foyer is the one for that. Whenever I tried making foyer, the only thing in my mind was something which literally state what the site is for, like what Holiday Tribe is for. Once a person enters the waiting area, they should know where we have come, what we have designed. And the second was the podcast room. So as we know, a company grow with the marketing they do, with the videos and photographs they share. So podcast room was something same as Foyer, so that we can know the ambience, the overall experience can be shared through that frame, the Foyer frame which we shoot over there. So I tried doing the whole vibe within these two areas. So the conference room was basically for 16% to accommodate. Also, the vibe of conference room was something mid-vibrant plus wooden because it has the screen, it has the Holiday Tribe logo as well. Also, the panel, the design, which is on the left side, which is on the right side, says the vibe, the vibrant colors about the client's need. Also, the Hollywood thing comes to travel as well. So, moving forward to the second challenge I had while designing this project was workstation. People who were sitting over there were more than 200 of people, and as the sitting was heavy and the area was very spacious, I had to place the workstation accordingly. Also, a challenge was to plan a deck, informal deck over there, which they can use informally. So I have planned planters all over. Also, the privacy. While working, you need privacy. So I've also planned the section, the laminate boards over the table, which can divide two people sitting like both sides. Moving forward to senior settings. Like seniors, as you know, they need another level of privacy while the other person working over there. So it was not that challenging because they just needed sitting over the last part of the space. And then comes phone booth. As it was a travel-based company, they needed a phone booth so that if they talk, others won't get disturbed. So capsule-like phone booth we have designed. So whatever furniture we have used while designing this project, we thought of having every fabric to the trend. And the fabric which we used was booklet. It is very trendy. It has green light structures, which is more like Japandi theme, and also can easily merge in a vibrant theme as well. The best part of the project was the foyer area and the informal deck. As earlier I said, foyer is a place with first impression, and while entering to a building, while entering to a project, we give that impression, we give that client a surety that you have come to a right place. Thank you.